Alright, I have another layout which I have not had time to do anyway. I'm going back face to face next week, so I don't have to do any digital plans. Hallelujah. So that's good. So I can get back to some normalcy, hopefully, once my comp, I'm almost done with my last Comp 5 reading endorsement class, so I won't have that taken up my time as well, so I can get back to normal. Anyway, so the background is Miss Modern Stamp Market. I realized, oh man, that black come up, it got on there, it just got all over. I was like, oh. So, but that's fine, I will cover it up. See, I'm going to do some, I said, hey, I'll do some mixed media on the backgrounds that way with some stamps, so that way it's an accident becomes on purpose. Alright, so I don't know how many I'll get done because everyone's waking up. So the layers behind the photos are scraps. So I'm going to catch up and write down what I've done. Then I decided to go ahead and do black splatters before I put my other stuff down because of, you could still see there's one area that still had a little bit of some black. So if I do splatters, then it kind of ties that boo-boo spot in with the rest. So my die cuts are going to be Vicky Booten's Everyday Art. And then I'm going to use some puppy hearts, which are American Crafts Flutter Thickers. But these die cuts are Vicky Booten. And then Fun in the Sun is from the past kit, and it's phrases from the American Crafts Sunshine Thickers that came in a kit It had to have been like the beginning of summer, or maybe, I don't think it was in these kits. What is this? May? No, it didn't come in the May kit. So to use them up, I went and I got some recent summer type pictures, and I cut the phrases apart and put them with the pictures that would go with those phrases. So I'm using those stickers. Oh yeah, the stickers are Dear Lizzie. I was going to say, I used stickers. I thought those were Dear Lizzie, but I wasn't sure. Did have them written down, I just didn't see that. Alright. And there goes my title, and then that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.